Take a look at the Maserati MC20. Wow, that's incredible. What a lightning thunder. The first of its kind. Maserati has recently revealed their new majestic dimension to automotive, the Maserati Corsa 20. This vehicle is powered with high-performance Nettuno engine derived from F1. The 3-liter V6 turbocharged engine delivering 630 horsepower at 7500 rpm with max torque of 730 Nm at 3000 to 5500 rpm, reaching 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 2.9 seconds and 0 to 200 km per hour in 8.8 seconds with the top speed of 325 km per hour. The traction of the MC20 is rear-wheel drive and can oppose the thrust of 100 to 0 km per hour in just 33 meters. The chassis and body combination ensures prodigious power-to-weight ratio for a jaw-dropping acceleration, top speed and control. The monocoque weight is approximately 100 kg, with total vehicle weight comes nearly to 1500 kg. The monocoque is built with ultra-light, high-precision carbon fiber to make the vehicle stronger, faster, stable and safer, with high torsional resistance and bending stiffness. The 4 bespoke driving modes makes the vehicle more exciting and joyful to drive, that is, GT, Sport, Corsa and Wet driving modes. The vehicle is constructed with fully digitalized interior and TFT cluster of 10.2-inch connected infotainment. The interior of the vehicle is crafted with the finest leather seats, Sonos Faber high premium audio system, luxury watches, mechanical drive mode selector and many more inspired aesthetics. Exterior design of the vehicle integrates front splitter and aggressive rear diffuser. The designer has developed the aerodynamics with most advanced engineering techniques, obsessing over single details, including the underbody experimented inside the full-scale wind tunnel to achieve the thermal management and maximum aerodynamic efficiency.